This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Hey there, readers! Do you know that all words have parts called syllables? Each syllable has one vowel sound. Today, we will practice spelling words with two syllables. To spell a word with two syllables, we can spell each syllable on its own. Then we put the syllables together to make the whole word. Let's get started. Our first word is rocket. Rock-et. Help me find the syllables that spell rocket. This says et. I hear et in rocket, but it's not the first syllable. Let's come back to this one. This says an. I don't hear an in the word rocket. This says rock. Yes, this is the first syllable in rocket. This says rep. Nope, that is not in our word. Our first syllable is rock. The second syllable is et. Rock, et. Rocket. You may also hear this word pronounced rocket. Nice job. Let's try another. Our next word is sunshine. Sun, shine. Help me find the syllables that spell sunshine. This says set. No, set is not in the word sunshine. This says sun. Yes, we found the first syllable in sunshine. This says pine. This syllable rhymes with shine, but it's not what we're looking for. This says shine. Yes, we found the second syllable. This says sim. That's not one of the syllables that we need. Sun, shine. Sunshine. The last word is rainbow. Rain, bow. Help me find the first syllable. May, snow, bow, net, rain. That's our first syllable. The second syllable is bow. This says bow. Rain, bow. Rainbow. We did it. Good work spelling these two-syllable words. Remember, when you write words with two syllables, it can help to break them up and spell each syllable one at a time. Keep up the good work.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.